Okay, hi everybody. Basically, this video today is basically gonna be about I just want to make this very short. Um, so I'm pretty sure last time I checked, I was at like 20 subs. So thank you everybody. Thank you for making me hit 20 subs. Thank you. And there's few people I want to shout out. Bry Guy. Let me show you Bry Guy's channel. So first, I want you to sub to ZM Productions. It's my friend's. Well, it's the kid Zach I know. He's very insane. Very insane. He's hit 51. My goal is actually to hit like 50. So, yeah. I know 4 people right there. Alright. And the next person I want you guys to sub to is alright. Bry Guy. Here he is. He has got 22 subs and 9 videos. He has done not very much videos, but still help him out. He's like saving up to like well, I don't really know what he's gonna buy, but he just wants to like save up money, I think. But so let's help him out. Try to like get him to let's say at least 30, because he doesn't really upload that much. But thank you guys. I just want to say thank you, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Um, right now I'm uploading this at like 9 o'clock at 9 p.m. So have a good day or night, I guess. Bye everybody.